up, yo? Happy Thursday. It's fucking cold outside. It's been like warm the past couple days. I don't even know what the fuck, man. But yeah, I'm gonna work today in the city. You know that feeling that you get like when you just go to work, but as soon as you walk through the door, instantly you just feel like you want to go home. I have that right now. Right now I'm on lunch. I'm walking to meet Adrian. We normally go at like 12, but we wanted to get ramen, so we're going at 2. So yeah, we'll see. So what's up, Age? Go in on that. Your age. Why don't you just try out that bed?
You sit on this thing?
Wow.
Why would anyone buy a stand like that?
Smelling like humidifiers. Home sweet home. Uy.
Yeah, I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm trying. Hey.
Hey.
Hey. Don't cut off your finger.
I did.
You'd be crying.
You know what we should do with the leftover onion?
Huh?
Make onion rings.
I mean, we can. I said we can.
Oh.
No.
Hey.
Open up.
No.
Can you open this? Hey, what happened to the oven?
I got it. Just look, see, look. Oh, oh, wow. There you go.
Thank you.
Push. Okay. Ow. Alright, so you're supposed to put the onions in there?
Oh shit. Stop! Konyo, come on.
You should go on MasterChef.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Wow.
But they look good, right?
That's quality right there. Gordon Ramsay would be really impressed with you. It's absolutely brilliant. Chef Jamie in the building.
Hey. Oh my gosh, what's this? Nice. And look, check this out.
Thanks, BuzzFeed. Alright, what was that? Good.
Oh.